Hi everyone, and welcome to this exciting course, Investing in Canada. This course is designed to help you make smart investment decisions in the most efficient way possible. First, we'll start by understanding the different types of investment accounts in Canada. You'll learn about the tax-free savings account, TFSA, what it is, what kind of investments work best inside it, and what to avoid. The Registered Retirement Savings Plan, RRSP, how it helps reduce your taxable income and which investments are ideal for retirement. The Registered Education Savings Plan, RESP, a smart way to save for your child's education using free government grants. We'll also cover margin accounts where you can borrow to invest and non-registered accounts which are fully taxable. Once you know where to invest, we'll explore what you can invest in. Real estate, both physical properties and REITs, real estate investment trusts. Stocks and how to analyze them, bonds from the Government of Canada and major banks. ETFs, including core and satellite strategies, leveraged ETFs and global ETFs, mutual funds which hold over $1 trillion in Canadian investor money. We'll also cover GICs, commodities, crypto, and insurance products. Next, we'll focus on your investment mindset. Because long-term success isn't just about knowledge, it's about discipline and temperament. We'll walk through how to build a long-term investment strategy, understanding market cycles, equity, debt, and commodity. The importance of diversification, when and how to use leverage, creating a core portfolio for stability and a satellite portfolio for higher risk and return. You'll also learn how to perform fundamental and technical analysis to evaluate real estate stocks and ETFs like a pro. What makes this course even more unique is its practical learning approach. I regularly interview real-life millionaires who have built wealth through stocks, real estate, ETFs, and entrepreneurship. These stories help you understand what truly works in the real world. Over 20,000 students have already enrolled in one of my paid Udemy courses. This course has been built with care and it's one of the highest-rated investing courses on the platform. Now, how can you enroll? There are two simple options. The best value is to become a YouTube channel member. Click the join button below this video. The basic membership is less than $3 per month. Once you're a member, go to the Post tab. You'll find free Udemy access codes that let you join the full course for free for life. These codes are only visible to paying members, or you can enroll directly on Udemy. Use the discount code linked in the video description. Just search for Finance in Canada on Udemy. You'll see over 13 courses and a growing community of thousands of students. Some free videos are also available on this channel under the EduFin Wizard playlist, so feel free to explore those as well. Whether you're just getting started or planning for retirement, this course is your step-by-step guide to mastering investing in Canada. Thank you for watching. Let's begin your journey to financial independence together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and become a member to unlock everything.